Hello, my name is Iliana Charmaine C. Molina. I'm 11 years old. I live in 123 Aguinaldo Street, Santa Cruz, Cavite City. This is Houdini.com.
Houdini.
Utensils. We need a scoop, spoon, plastic cup, baby powder, and dough. It's the arena or floor in English.
Flour, hindi floor.
Floor and a cardboard or illustration or chopping board, anything you want. Put some powder into the chalkboard. Now, put hot water into the scoop. Then, put the hot water into the plastic cups with arena or flour.
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 Flour. And mix it. And it's become in.
Ta-da! Magic!
And now,
Roll the dough or flour or flour.
and plot it into the illustration or what you want, and
Add some tomato ketchup.
huggies like a
Shape it like
bowl, and put some little bit powder,
ta-da!
and it's that, and close it like a empanada, and roll it.
Roll.
It's look like puto. Second, put again a powder and put the dough into the scoop like this. And flat it if you want. And remove the sobra
Excess.
and
Pandesal di mabili, nilagyan ng baby powder.
now.
Time first po nahulog.
Now,
Hindi pwede mamaya. Now.
this is the finish and
Product.
And
Let's decorate it.
put it into the illustration or cardboard if you want.
Wow, God. Slurpee. 7-Eleven, pay us. You have an advertisement. See? Go. Slurpee.
And
7-Eleven ketchup.
the sobra is putol-putol.
You cut it.
Cut it into small pieces like this.
Size of a kulangot. Booger.
And put this into the top if you want. Put some another
You just want,
toppings. Mix and sprinkles if you want. Put some food coloring, pintura, or paint in English. Now, that is our finished product. And if you have a sweet cone, paper cone, put it and flat the side like this. That's it. Now,
Ini, haway mo, Zen.